Hello! Today's topic is all about the introduction to predictive analytics. Our learning outcomes to develop a deep understanding regarding the analytics life cycle and the concepts on predictive analytics. Business analytics is defined as an extensive use of data, statistical and quantitative analysis, explanatory and predictive modeling, and fact-based management to drive decision making. It is also the process of transforming data of an organization from the operational data stored in transactional systems and turning into insights for better decisions. Business analytics has the ability to provide accurate information when needed, including the real-time view of a corporate performance and its parts. A survey by Thomson, Business analytics provides faster and accurate reporting. It also improves decision making and customer service, and most especially, it increases the revenue of an organization. The analytics life cycle, as shown in this diagram, has 5 phases: connect, prepare, build, analyze, and collaborate. Connecting to data. Data in an organization comes from one or more sources, whether these are from spreadsheets, transactional systems such as point of sale systems or the POS, or from their centralized data warehouses. Preparing data for analysis. Data in real world is dirty. These can either be incomplete, noisy, or inconsistent. A data is incomplete if there are lacking or missing values. For example, when you are answering a questionnaire and a specific question is not applicable for you, most probably you will just leave it blank. A data is noisy when it contains errors or outliers. Outliers are a part of a dataset that differs significantly from the others. Like for example, among the 100 datasets, mostly it contains the value from 75 to 99, and yet there was one or two data that has a value of 50 and 60. Those two, we considered it as a noisy data. A data is inconsistent if it contains discrepancies in codes and names. Let's say, for example, there was a survey that was conducted before and they used ABC as the choices. But then again, same survey was recently conducted and yet the choices is then 1, 2, 3. Another example is the name Bill Gates and William Henry Gates. It is inconsistent, but it is only referring to a one person. Build analytics content. Different models such as descriptive statistics, linear regression, and decision trees are used to analyze data to create reports, visualizations, and dashboards. Analyze manually and automatically. The results of the analyzed data will be deployed to the end users, where they can use it to manage their day-to-day operations. Collaborate and share insights. Analyzed results are shared to other stakeholders and used to discover insights that could lead to competitive advantage. Collaboration can occur in a number of ways: through sharing a report so that others can see it too, commenting on a report or dashboard so that you can draw other people's attention to issues or opportunities that may exist, creating data stories or presentations that combines multiple charts and reports into a narrative that explains what happened and why, and what actions need to be taken. Predictive analytics. It enables us to understand the future and provides insights into what will happen and includes the what if scenarios and risk assessments. It uses many techniques from data mining, such as regression, classification, and market basket analysis, modeling machine learning, and artificial intelligence to analyze current data to make predictions about the future. Some of the events predictive analytics may address includes customer churn or customer attrition, customer conversion, online purchase patterns, the product adoption, which is the cross-selling and the upselling, and also the customer online behavior. Customer churn is when an existing customer suddenly stops or cancel his plan or subscription from a certain company, or when the customer decided not to renew his plan after finishing his contract or subscription. Customer conversion is when an online visitor browsing an e-commerce site such as Shopee or Lazada finally bought and completed his first order. Online purchase patterns and customer online behavior. When using a loyalty card or a credit card, organizations can track the purchase patterns of a customer that they could use it to suggest possible products that the user would probably buy for his next transaction. Customer cross-selling is when a customer is invited or encouraged to buy complementary or related items. Let's say, for example, when you are buying a smartphone, they will suggest other products that you could also buy, such as headphones or screen protectors. Customer upselling is when they offer an upgrade or a premium version of the product that you want to buy. Example, when you are buying a smartphone, they will suggest a smartphone that has a better specification compared to the item that you choose. How predictive analytics work. Predictive analytics applies inductive approach or inductive reasoning to big data by using sophisticated quantitative methods to explore all the data and to discover interrelationships and patterns. An inductive approach makes no presumptions of patterns or relationships and is more about data discovery. Inductive reasoning moves from specific observations to broad generalizations. With the use of loyalty cards, the organizations can already check the purchase patterns of their customers, and through this, they can already send coupons for their upcoming promos that the customer would probably buy for his next transaction. When surfing the net, search engines such as Google uses predictive analytics to suggest web pages or terminologies that is related to the term or phrase you search. When operationalizing predictive analytics in organizations, it has many advantages, such as it optimizes the business processes and at the same time, it reduces the operational costs. Through this, there is an engagement among the customers and enables to enhance the customer experience and the customer satisfaction. And at the same time, it also limits the customer churn. It also enables to identify new products and services that they could offer and looks for new and improved market opportunities and strategies. And lastly, it reduces risk by anticipating and mitigating possible problems that may occur. And here are some of the industry examples that are using predictive analytics, from energy and utilities, financial services, food and beverage, healthcare, travel, insurance, manufacturing, transportation, and marketing. And that's it for the end of our Chapter 1 discussion, and I hope you understand and gain something from it. If you have questions, feel free to contact me or send me a message.